Hi everyone, welcome again. In this video, we'll talk about another interesting concept of UiPath generative AI based capabilities. Assume we have some text or content which our team was not able to get it. They wanted to understand the meaning of that text with some example, some clarifications, that too in different languages. But you don't know any tool who does it. For once and while it's fine, we can get it with any AI based tool. But now, if it is regular, then definitely we need some automations with AI based capabilities. UiPath Generative AI based activities will help you to achieve this. That's the reason I came up with some text and their translations. We wanted to achieve this entire text data and their translations value into different languages. Here we are going to use summarize text and translate activity where we'll try to provide some input. This time I targeted in English language. Now here I wanted to add number of summary words because I added into paragraph. When the content is too lengthy, right, we can even request with the generative AI based capability to add within your word limits. And that's the reason I created one variable summary and exactly same variable I'm going to add in log messages to see the response. Once the execution will be completed, you will get result in output log messages where you will have the entire summary in bulleted formats of your entire paragraph. If you are struggling to get connections created, make sure to use it. Make sure to refer our previous video where you will get to learn how to set up the connections. At any point of time, you wanted to change the format or you wanted to make it bullet, paragraph, numbered, outline, anything which you can do it. This is how it looks when you will change the appearance. This is for one, you can even do it outline, tabular, or chronicle order as well. The way you want, you can keep the control within your hand and you don't have to do any customizations. We have to just set these settings and accordingly you will get it. What if you have the text in any other language? That can be also covered in UiPath GenAI activities where you can add within a different language as well. Let's first see chronicle order and then we'll move to other languages as well. Let's try to do it in outline mode and here we can expect some responses and that's it. This is the chronicle order. Next, I wanted to target for French language. This French language data we'll try to add into the input and we wanted to get summary of entire paragraph in 60 words. Even you can make it to 20 or 30, totally up to you how big summary you want. Another example I can think through is if you have your profile, you wanted to create a summary of your entire profile that can be also immediately viewable by using this automations where you'll get entire summary generated within a fraction of seconds which can be shared with your profile to any of the recruiter. Next sections I wanted to add as a translate where you can even translate entire summary into some other languages. Even you can focus or add generic language or as well or regional languages as well. And that's the reason I've selected some language. I wanted to save this into some variable and this exactly same variable we will try to showcase on log messages. We'll add here text after translations as well as adding the variable. Now Once we will get a response, you will be shocked to see this is exactly converted the entire paragraph into English language without writing a single line of code. You can achieve it. That's the main power of translation, as well as generating a summary in any other languages using UiPath generative AI based activity. Similar way, we can also achieve it for Spanish, German, Chinese, or any other Arabic language as well. Just try it out for Spanish. We'll try to get exactly same thing in the response, and we will have the output generated very quickly. This is the entire text generated into different paragraph sections, which will be helpful for you to quickly copy and paste it or send it to someone else within your connections. If you're going for an interview, or if you are sending an email, for every purposes you can use it. Another one I wanted to showcase in German language, where you'll just copy and paste or change the input box, and accordingly you will get a response. Everywhere I selected English, but you can even select regional languages as well. And the way you want, you can trim it, the format, language, as well as the value, how much words you want, exactly in your hands. Whichever way you want, you can do it. So that's the power of generative AI based capability. If you wanted to get the objects, even you can get those objects added, and you will see all the objects related detail using this activity. So that's all from today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circles. If you wanted to help other, feel free to share this video with them. This might change their life, and they will also learn a new technologies. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.